Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today what I'm going to be making is a homemade pizza, like Alfredo style, you know, creamy with garlic shrimp on it and vegetables and all that. It's going to be so delicious. Hola, hola, dame caballero. Lo que vamos a hacer ahora es una pizza de casa con una salsa blanca al estilo Alfredo y unos camarones, pero al estilo con ajo, bien sabroso. Vamos, síganme. Come on, let's go. ¡Puyo! Let's go through the ingredients. We have flour, we got jumbo shrimps, 2 pounds. Then we have Parmesan cheese. Then we have this cheese right here that caught my eyes. It's got like 5 different cheese on it. Provolone, Asiago, Romano cheese. Then we have heavy whipped cream, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes, butter, garlic, green and red bell pepper, an egg, white onions, and mozzarella cheese. Come on everyone, let's go, let's have fun. Booyah! Okay, what I did, I used 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water, half a teaspoon of salt, and I cracked an egg, and you keep the egg white and you batter it down real good, and then you throw it on top of the flour and mix it all together really, really good. And then that's how you make the dough. It's looking very nice. There it is. That's the dough right there. Beautiful. So now we're gonna put it in the fridge, right in there, covered up with saran wrap for about half an hour in the fridge, and look how nice it's looking. All right, here we go. We got the shrimps here. It's already been deveined and cleaned and all that, so we're gonna leave it marinating there with garlic. Then I like to squeeze a little bit of lime so that will kill that aftertaste, that taste that they have. Then a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna add some salt. Perfect. And now you just mix it around and let it sit there for at least, 20 minutes. Let it catch a nice flavor. All right, we're gonna make the Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna put half of a bar, of a long bar, because I'm not making that much Alfredo, of butter. We're gonna put the rest of fresh garlic, granulated, chopped up. You want to mix around for about 2 minutes. That way the garlic will catch a nice golden brown color to it. Add some black pepper. Perfect. Granulated onions. And if you want a little spicy, you can add some crushed pepper to it. Just a little spicy. Now we're going to add some salt. There you go. Now that the garlic is getting nice and golden brown, let's add up some heavy whipped cream. I would say about 3/4 of this. That's perfect. And then you just mix it around everywhere until all the yellow, the butter disappear. And keep on doing that for about 10-15 minutes. Now we're gonna add the Parmesan fresh cheese on it. The Parmesan cheese is going to add a really extra flavor to it, and it's going to thicken up the sauce, the creamy sauce. Just make sure you keep on stirring it up. What we're going to do, we're going to put butter everywhere. So now we're gonna put some flour in my hand. So that it won't stick on you. You just gotta keep playing with it. Okay, now we're gonna add the Alfredo sauce. Add cheese to it, mozzarella. Now we're gonna add that 5 cheese Italian, just to add an extra flavor to it. It's got the provolone, it's got Romano cheese, mozzarella, Parmesan Asiago. It's got it all. Just trust me, it's gonna be delicious. Onions everywhere. I love onions, so I'm gonna mix it up with red onions as well, and then just a little bit of mushroom too. The bell pepper on it. Okay, put some shrimps in there. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 425 degrees, and best part's coming up. All right, everyone, it's been about 27 minutes exactly, so we're gonna see how it looks. Oh, perfect. It's ready. Delicious, delicious. All right, everyone, here comes the best part. Let's cut this baby. Ooh-wee. Sun-dried tomatoes, so delicious. Can't wait to try it. That's a perfect 10. Wow. Listen, first of all, I want to thank my team for going up to Eureka, Nevada 5 weeks ago, and we won the championship. We went 4-5-0. Booyah! Thanks everyone for your like, comment, and subscription. Hope you all doing well. Have a good evening. Love you all. Stay safe. Please wear your mask. God bless.